Okay, I am told two possible ways to fix my floppy drive, because basically the eject button is stuck in, hence why the disk won't go in. So what we've got here, we've got a Malaysian made. Just unplug this, unplug the keyboard. Let's get that out of the way. So this is so it's a second hand. You know, they don't make these new anymore, do they? I assume. So second hand jobby. I don't know, is that a 2008 date stamp or is it a 2002 date stamp? Doesn't matter. So the problem, this bloody thing won't come out. So apparently half of them are put in upside down, and that makes a difference. So let's see what I can do here. Lift that up, will that come off? Let's see now. Almost off. Probably better off just unscrewing the whole drive, aren't I? I think I might just do that. Oh, almost got it. Come on. Might just unscrew the drive, which is just some screws underneath. That might be better. Cucks. Come. Yanelia. Okay, hold it so it doesn't go flying off. Break. So that's the way it was on. Let's see. So there is a difference between that way and that way. So that was the way it was on. Yes, maybe it was supposed to be on that way. Okay. Please don't break. Okay. Alright. That certainly does feel looser there, but then again, it was easy to put the drive in, put the disc in when I had the top case off. Okay, well, let's try it that way. See if that fixes it or improves it. All the screws are out, no doubt. All the screws are out, no doubt. I'll just line them up again. Let's see. It goes like that. Just need one to line up. Okay, yep, so they're the holes there. So it's just behind the side holes. Okay. There is one. Patience, patience. Let me get this screwed up and then I'll be back.